nuclear power, artificial intelligence, and one of India's largest private investment programs. That is the future Gautam Adani outlined at the Adani Group's 2026 annual general meeting. The message was clear. The group's next phase of growth will be built around infrastructure, intelligence, and energy security. So, what were the biggest announcements? Adani described FY26 as a defining year for the conglomerate. Despite intense scrutiny, the group continued to expand across its businesses. In FY26, Adani Group reported consolidated revenue of 2.92 trillion rupees, up 7.4% year-on-year. Profit after tax rose nearly 14% to 46,376 crore rupees, while EBITDA stood at 94,834 crore rupees. The group also invested more than 1.5 trillion rupees in infrastructure during the year. According to Adani, that accounted for over 30% of all new private sector capital expenditure in India. The headline announcement was nuclear energy. Adani revealed that the group has formally entered the sector through a new entity, Adani Atomic Energy. The company has already identified land and is targeting 10 gigawatts of nuclear power capacity by 2035. The move comes as India looks for reliable, round-the-clock clean energy to support industrial growth, electrification, and rising demand from data centers. But the expansion does not stop there. Adani Power is pursuing what the group calls India's largest private sector power expansion program. More than 2 trillion rupees is being invested, with a target of reaching 45 gigawatts of generation capacity over the next 5 years. Adani Ports handled more than 500 million tons of cargo in FY26 and is now targeting 1 billion tons by 2030. In aviation, the group highlighted the launch of Navi Mumbai International Airport and the new integrated terminal at Guwahati Airport. The group is also expanding its presence in defense and aerospace. Adani said its drones, anti-drone systems, missiles, and ammunition supported Indian armed forces during Operation Sindoor. The company is now working with global aerospace firms Leonardo and Embraer to strengthen domestic manufacturing capabilities. One of the most important themes of the AGM was artificial intelligence. Adani argued that AI and infrastructure can no longer be viewed separately, because AI cannot scale without massive physical infrastructure. To support that vision, the group's data center business is targeting a 3 gigawatt platform by 2030. A binding agreement has also been signed with Google for a gigawatt-scale data center project in Visakhapatnam. Microsoft, Uber, and Flipkart were also named as partners in the group's digital infrastructure push. Adani also announced a 3-part organizational overhaul focused on workforce welfare and operational efficiency. The group plans to simplify management structures, strengthen partnerships with contractors, and place worker welfare at the center of its operations. Nearly 400,000 people are employed across the Adani Group, with about 85% working at project sites and industrial facilities. The company says its focus will now be on better living conditions, medical support, workplace safety, hygienic food, and timely wages. The Adani Group's AGM offered a glimpse into where one of India's largest conglomerates sees the country's next growth opportunity. From nuclear energy and AI infrastructure to power, ports, airports, and defense manufacturing, Adani is placing some of its biggest bets yet on India's long-term growth story. Whether those bets pay off will become clear in the years ahead. Follow Business Standard for more stories.